How to send video streaks on Snapchat from gallery. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you how you can send videos from your gallery as streaks on Snapchat without breaking your streak. So the problem is that if you send a video from gallery as a chat, it will cancel your Snap streak. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. So the solution to this problem is to send the video as a snap, and here's how you can do that. Tap on the camera icon on your profile. Just do not record anything. Tap the search bar in the bottom right corner to go to Filter tab, or you can just simply scroll and then you will see the option of Explore. Tap on Explore. Now in the search bar, type in video upload or photo upload. Select the photo, video, or video streak filter. Now simply press the camera button. You can also record it as a video, but right now I'm recording this video as a photo. And then go ahead and send this video to your friends or family, whoever is connected with you on Snapchat. So this will send it as a snap and maintain your streak. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.